next beauty queen of Queen Moremi Global. Beautiful young ladies have been selected on merit and have been in the camp. So I've been in the camp.
Okay.
Here we are at the Ife Resort for the annual Queen Moremi Global Beauty Pageant. 15 young beautiful ladies have been selected on the merit and I've been in the boot camp. Here we are at the Ife Resort for the annual beauty pageant of Queen Moremi Global. 15 beautiful young ladies have been selected on merit and have been in the camp to undergo the Yoruba traditional and culture under the initiative of Princess Ronke Ademiluyi. Today we are going to know who is going to be the next queen. Oh yeah. Here we are at Ife Resort for the annual beauty pageant of Queen Moremi Global. 15 young beautiful ladies have been selected and they have been in the camp for the past 10 days to be taught the Yoruba tradition and culture under the initiative of Princess Ronke Ademiluyi. Now let's watch out who is going to be the next Queen Moremi Global. Thank you.
And you